Sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying. There's a lot out here to get to record. These challenges is on here. They out here like that, y'all. Lamborghini doors on the Camaro. Well, you can't afford a Lamborghini, you make you one. Oh, T, if you're watching this, boy, look at this wrap on this girl.
That's that MTI C7.
Man, so pretty.
Z51.
So pretty.
This thing is awesome. You should hear it too.
Oh man.
It's got the exhaust and the headers, and it's like faster than stock too.
Damn.
Yeah, it's not just for looks, it's fast too.
Whose is it?
This is Jeremy. He's Ego Z51 on Instagram. He's got his I think it's on there if you want to see it written out.
Okay.
But yeah, he's got some cool content.
And that's a Z51?
Yeah. Yeah, Z51.
Look like a ZR1.
Right, it looks better than the ZR1 now. Yeah, custom wide body, everything with the big ring. Have you seen it from the back?
No, I'm about to.
It's got that. Yeah, check it out.
Gotta see it from the back, bro.
Exactly. That's where it's at on the back.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Check out the derriere, y'all. Man, oh man, oh man. Look at that wide body. Wow.
And that shows indoor.
Hey, we gotta go see that Grand National. And they got a lot of Lamborghini copycats out here, y'all. Got the Batman, Camaro. We're about to see the crowd pleaser, y'all. Sweet, look at this Chevelle, y'all. Ooh-wee. Man, look at this interior. Man, Anna, you got some comp out here, boy. Nice, right? They got the Chevelles out here, y'all. Them boys is breaking them out. And it's a beautiful day, turned out. 57, huh? 57 Chevy. Car's definitely older than me. Yeah, look better than me. I'm about to get to that crowd pleaser, y'all. Ooh, man, look at this white interior, y'all. Ooh, it's too much.